So a lot of people keep asking me about my affiliate web course and my affiliate program and how you can make passive income. I'm going to be extremely transparent with my business so I can paint a very beautiful picture for you. So I started my business back in August of 2022, and I'm sure some of you that are watching this were here since day one. I probably had like 5,000 followers on Instagram. I had been banned on TikTok repetitively, but thankfully I haven't been banned since. So as you can see here, my university has done over $600,000 in revenue. I have over 31,000 students, and I have over 58,000 enrollments on different web courses. So now I need you to understand that this revenue that you see here, I didn't accomplish this on my own. I had help with my affiliates, and I've split a lot of this revenue with them. So as of right now, we have 331 affiliates, and this month alone, we've done $21,603 in affiliate commission. So I finished the affiliate web course maybe about a month ago, and ever since I did that, it has exploded. I have multiple editors that just chop and screw my content for everybody to repost. And the best part about this is I have a Discord and a Telegram group that will help you get situated with everything that you're trying to do when it comes to any forms of affiliate work. So a lot of you that have been in my university understand that I have a lot of desirable information, and that's why I give you the ability to resell it. My main goal is to spread love and wisdom and help increase your awareness. So now the best part about this affiliate program is as you are spreading love and wisdom, you are able to take other people's content. And at the same time, you will be able to embark on other affiliate opportunities to help you make even more passive income. The beauty in all of this is that we're able to spread love and wisdom and help people and make money. And that is the goal. How we win matters.